Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. 65 popular phrases for confident communication. I completely understand your point, and I appreciate your perspective. Could you please clarify what you mean by that statement exactly? I'm confident that we can find a solution that works for everyone. Let me make sure I understand your perspective before I respond. I appreciate your feedback, and I will definitely take it into account. Can we discuss this further to ensure we are on the same page? I believe it's important to approach this matter with an open mind. Could you provide an example so I can fully understand your point? I'm willing to consider alternative ideas if they improve our outcome. Let's take a moment to review all the options carefully together. I completely agree with your perspective, and I want to support it. Could you explain why you believe this approach will work effectively? I'm confident in my ability to handle this challenge successfully. Let's work together to find the best solution for everyone involved. I appreciate your honesty, and I respect your point of view greatly. Could you share more details so I can better understand your reasoning? I'm confident that open communication will help us resolve this issue. Let's consider all perspectives before making a final decision together. I value your input, and I'm eager to hear more about it. Can we schedule a time to discuss this matter in more detail? I believe we should approach this problem with patience and care. I'm open to constructive criticism because it helps me improve consistently. Could you explain how you reached that conclusion step by step? I'm confident that our combined efforts will lead to positive results. Let's prioritize our tasks to ensure we achieve the best possible outcome. I appreciate your patience while I gather all the necessary information. Could we explore different options before deciding on the final strategy? I strongly believe in the value of teamwork and open communication. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we have accomplished so far. I'm confident that my skills and experience will contribute positively here. Can you provide examples to illustrate your point more clearly for me? I value honest communication because it strengthens trust and understanding. Could you clarify your priorities so we can align our objectives better? I'm confident that addressing concerns early prevents bigger problems later. Let's focus on solutions rather than dwelling on the problems at hand. I appreciate your willingness to share your ideas and experiences openly. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. Can we review the plan together to ensure nothing important is missed? I believe listening actively is key to effective and confident communication. I'm confident that we can handle any challenges if we collaborate fully. Let's clarify our goals so that everyone understands the desired outcome clearly. I value feedback because it helps me learn and grow continuously over time. Could you explain the reasoning behind your suggestion in more detail, please? I'm confident that expressing ideas respectfully leads to stronger collaboration overall. Let's set clear expectations to avoid misunderstandings in future interactions together. I appreciate your constructive input, and I am committed to considering it fully. Can we brainstorm together to generate creative solutions for this complex problem? I believe maintaining a positive attitude encourages confidence in any communication. I'm confident that listening carefully allows me to respond thoughtfully and accurately. Let's summarize our discussion to ensure everyone is clear on the next steps. I value clarity in communication because it reduces confusion and builds trust. Could you explain how this decision aligns with our long-term goals clearly? I'm confident that sharing perspectives openly strengthens relationships and teamwork. Let's take a proactive approach to address challenges before they escalate further. I appreciate your patience and willingness to collaborate on resolving this issue. Can we review the key points together to ensure mutual understanding and clarity? I believe being confident does not mean knowing everything, but learning continuously. I'm confident that respectful dialogue is the foundation of effective communication. Let's ask questions when uncertain to ensure we fully understand the situation clearly. I value honest expression of thoughts because it leads to mutual respect always. Could you share your perspective on this matter so I can consider it carefully? I'm confident that collaboration and active listening result in better decisions overall. Let's acknowledge each other's contributions to create a positive and respectful environment. I believe that confidence grows when we communicate clearly and respectfully. I'm confident that every challenge is an opportunity to learn and improve. Could you please repeat that once more so I can take proper notes? Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.